So the last video cut me off because I reached the 15-minute max. So I just wanted to quickly finish. Thank you for being so patient and following along. So Portal is focus. We use those terms simultaneously. Please keep track of your child's grades. Students can log in through Portal through Focus on their Clever account. They click on Clever and it should take them right into their Focus. They all know their R2D2 and S.dot password. This can be done on anything. It can be done on an iPad, a desktop computer, or a tablet at home. I update grades weekly. I try to do that on my Sunday morning routines or Monday afternoon routines. All right, so Canvas. Canvas is brand new to us. It's a red icon when they log in through Clever. It's brand new. I did a lot of work over the summer to understand it. This is where I post everything. So I do daily check-ins. If a student doesn't know something, it's usually on their Canvas for the week. I don't upload new links to their Canvas until the weekend. So if your child was absent and they still want to get credit, or something happened with the internet and they still want to get credit, it's still on there. They just have to click on the button for the day. I made it very, very simple. And I posted a link in Dojo earlier before school started, so everyone kind of knew how to navigate it. I try to upload all of our resources there. And if anything, just message me on Dojo and I can always give you a step-by-step. Laptops. So students at home and in school should have laptops. It's a lot easier to use these laptops rather than the iPads. That is why we kind of took the iPads back and we exchanged them for laptops. Here is our contact information. You can always email me, Dojo me, let me know. I'm here to help. I want to help. And if you need anything, just let me know. Lastly, after you watch this video, if you could message me through Dojo, letting me you've seen the open house PowerPoint. I have to fill in a sheet with participation. And I want to give you credit if you joined the open house. So please let me know. Just say, I'm here. And I'll be available from 6 to 6:30 tonight with questions. Thank you, everyone. Have a good day.